The date of counseling for Thadlaskein, that is district West Jaintia and East Jaintia Hill. I will say according to the serial number, ngan ongat kum ki serial number, tes akan mau hiban check ikerteng jong pi. Serial number 1 to 65 will be on 16 June. The date of counseling is 16 June. And roll number 66 to 130 will be on 17 June, date of counseling. Roll number 131 and 100 to 195 will be on 18 June, June. Serial number 196 to serial number 260 will be on 20 June, the date of counseling. And serial number 261 to 325 will be on 21st June 2022, the date of counseling. And 326 to 374 kandai hau 23rd June, date of counseling kandai jongka West Jaintia Hill. The date of counseling for East Jaintia Hill will be roll number 1 to 16 on 23rd June, June. 17 to age 2 will be on 24th June, June. And age 3 to 111 will be on 25 June, June, Jongka East Jaintia Hill. The date of counseling for the 2-year diploma in elementary course DLED academic year 2022 and 2024 for the NONGPOH, that is di Ribhoi district, are given here. Kini kerteng bat tarik ban late counseling mo kadai arpotrik bana June shpowaje shanang te kini kerteng serial number bur candidate ID adon hangne ti pla mencak kerteng jong pi kibadai jongka arpotrik terter jongka dayat NONGPOH mo Ribhoi. Kini kidai haka arpotrik bana June ngut tiga Monday. Kajaka banla interview kan dewe support dayat NONGPOH. June, then after that name of the candidate, candidate's ID, time, date. This one is on 21st June, 10 AM onwards. Kini pada on 23rd June, 23rd June. At kini pada on the 24th June, harus June. till 24th June. Serah iki original dokumen sejong pi hak for village counseling.